As John and Emily prepared for this wedding celebration, they reflected on what it is they love about each other. Emily, John loves that you fit in so comfortably with his family. He loves your intelligence, your smile, and your beauty. Emily is the only person who will put up with me and the only person who I would want to spend the rest of my life with. She is the love of my life, my ride or die. John, Emily knew from the moment she met you that something was different. She loves your humor, your incredibly good looks, and your optimism. You tell her every day how much you love her, and you always make her feel safe. She is proud to be your other half. From this majestic setting, we take ourselves out of the usual routines of daily living to witness a special moment in the lives of John and Emily. Today, they join their lives in the union of marriage.
Emily, I choose you to be my best friend, my faithful partner, and my one true love. I vow to support you, inspire you, and encourage you. I am proud to take you as my wife, promising to grow with you to build a better life each day. I will always be there for you to hold your hand no matter what life brings us. I promise to put your needs before my own and give you my loyalty, respect, and unconditional love. You're my soulmate, and I love you forever.
John, I choose you to be my partner, best friend, and companion. I believe in you, the person you will grow to be, and the couple we will be together. With my whole heart, I take you as my husband, acknowledging and accepting your faults and strengths as you do mine. I promise to be faithful to you and supportive, and to always make our family's love and happiness my priority. I will dream with you and walk beside you through whatever our lives may bring, forever giving thanks that we found each other. You are my person, my love, and my life today and always.
And so now, John and Emily, it is my honor and delight to declare you husband and wife. I am pleased to present the newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. John and Emily.
I remember the first time I met you, Emily. I knew you felt the same way about John that he did about you.
Spent some time with John, saw them together, and we were absolutely sold.
Like, these two really care about each other, and I don't know if I could have envisioned a better half for my brother.
John, you've added so much to our family, but more importantly, you've given my sister a life that has allowed her to grow and feel supported, no matter what obstacles, challenges, or pandemics are thrown your way.
We just wanted to thank each and every person in this room for the incredible amount of support that we've gotten.
I'm so happy that we could all be gathered here together. Let's party.
Here's to the past and all that you've learned. Here's to the present and all that you share. And here's to your future and all that you have to look forward to together.
To love, laughter, and happily ever after.
John, Emily, we love you guys. Cheers.